Hello and welcome back to 50 Somethings. Today's short little video is an extension of our Mississippi Magic video posted earlier today. This video also is part of what happened on the 19th and includes the Biloxi Bay Bridge and a visit to the Hurricane Katrina Memorial. The last video was just a little bit too long, and I thought I would break it up with these two stops from the 19th. Enjoy the little video. Thanks for watching 50 Somethings. I realize the video doesn't properly portray the full effect of being there. It was beautiful, but I must tell you, it was extremely hot, and the cement walking on the bridge only made it feel hotter. It was a nice walk though, regardless. The next few stills and video are of the mosaic at the bottom of the bridge. This was incredible. The amount of time it must have taken to make this is beyond me. The next few photos are from the Hurricane Katrina Memorial, another really touching spot with a beautiful mosaic. Please notice the trees in these stills. Besides the Spanish moss, please note the beads hanging from all the leaves. I'm not sure why they are there. Maybe some sort of homage to the victims.